So another thing that you can do with this energy ring is create a wreath, okay? One of the things that I love to do is find some garland. Now this is my Christmas garland, and I'll just start demonstrating what this looks like. But basically, wrap the copper energy ring with your garland and place it on your front door, place it somewhere in your home. Everywhere you place these energy rings is going to bring in positive energy, beautiful light into your space. So this is, you can get really creative with how you want to use these energy rings. So they can all be covered, they can be under a rug, they can be under a chair. Nothing that you put over these is going to interfere with the energy of the ring. Okay. Thank you for your interest in the quantum energy rings, and I really look forward to helping you uplift your own energy, the energy of your home, and others with these rings. For more information, please check out the rest of the page. There's wonderful testimonials, lots of images of lots of ways you can use these energy rings, and there's also answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about these rings. Thank you, and again, I look forward to helping you with the energy of your home.